Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Nissan X-Trail STL, stock reference number 5153. The shape runs from the second month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. QR25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight. Left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror, camera type. Bonnet appears to have no damage. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the right-hand tail light, right boot lid, tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Both right-hand doors appear to have no damage. Right guard appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror, camera type, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control heater controls, factory sat nav CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.